All right, in this lesson, we're going to talk about different types of angles and how to find measurements in various types of angles. So for our first three problems, we're going to talk about the different ways that we can name angles and how we can classify them. So we can name an angle in four different ways. For question number one, as we see, there's a number 2. So that's one simple way to name the angle. I could call it angle 2. The middle point on the angle is called the vertex. And so I have these 3 points, A, B, C, and the middle point is B. So I could name it angle B, or I can use all 3 points, making sure I keep the vertex in the middle. So I could call it angle ABC, or I can name it backwards. I can call it angle CBA, and they all refer to the same angle. The next thing we need to do is classify this angle. And so just like when we had triangles, because there's a box in the corner, that lets me know that this is a right angle. Question number 2, again, we can name this angle in 4 different ways. I would encourage you to pause the video, try it on your own, and then push play to make sure you got it correct. So I can call this angle 3, angle RST, angle TSR, or just angle S, because that's the vertex. And when I name my angles, I need to keep the vertex in the middle. And so when I classify this angle, because it's wider or larger than a right angle, I would classify this as obtuse. Question number 3, again, pause the video, try it on your own, and then push play to check your work. So question 3, I can call this angle 4, angle LMN, angle NML, or just angle M. And typically, when you answer a question, you don't have to name it in all. You don't have to name it in all 4 ways. I just want you to know all the different representations. And I can easily see that this is a straight line, so that's how I would classify it. It's a straight angle. All right, next you're going to take out your foldable, and then we'll come back to questions 4, 5, and 6. All right, so now we're going to continue talking about a few different types of angles. And so for this first angle, I can tell that it's a right angle because it has the box in the corner. But another word for right angle is complementary. This is saying that when I put 2 angles together, they form a right angle. So angle WXY and angle YXZ together form a 90-degree angle. It's notated, and then if I add 65 and 25, I get 90. So let's write that.